In this video, we will learn how to configure joins. In the home page, under the Data Aggregation section, click on Joins. To begin, click on Create your first join. From the left side panel, drag as many tables as you want onto the canvas. Create links between the tables by dragging the dots from one to another. Now, click on Inner. There are 4 types of joins: inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. Choose one. Next, select a logical operator from the drop-down menu. Then, select data columns for both the tables. Click on New Condition to add more conditions. Finally, click on Save. Within the tables, choose the columns you wish to display in the final table. When 2 column names are identical, you can assign an alias to clarify which source table the output column in the final table originates from. In the navigation bar, enter a configuration name in the Save As field. Then click on Save Configuration. Your data source join has been created successfully.